Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming the Ethernet cable is plugged in and the port light is on. Inspect the router and switch for green activity lights near the port. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator and run ipconfig to view current IP4 settings. Find the Ethernet adapter name and note the IP4 address such as 192, 168, 1, 10. Also record the subnet mask 255, 0 and default gateway 192, 168, 1, 1 for reference. These steps prepare you to change settings safely. Open Control Panel and go to Network Connections to find your Ethernet adapter. Right-click the adapter and choose Properties to access configuration options. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties to enter manual settings. Enter IP4 address 192, 168, 1, 50 and subnet mask 255, 0 in the fields provided. Add default gateway 192, 168, 1, 1 and preferred DNS 8 for name resolution. Click OK to save changes and close all. After saving settings, run Command Prompt as administrator to refresh configuration. Execute ipconfig/flushdons followed by ipconfig/renew to update the adapter lease. Use ping to test connectivity by pinging gateway 192, 168, 1, 1 and then ping external IP 8. Successful replies confirm correct routing and DNS reachability. If pings fail, reboot the router and switch, reseat the cable, or revert to DHCP by setting the adapter to obtain IP automatically. Document changes and restore previous values.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.